Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss our topic from legislation, that is Biomedical Waste Management and Handling Rules 1998. So, what are they? Here you can see the definition or introduction about the act. This act in exercise of the powers confirmed by Section 6, 8, and 25 of the Environment Protection Act 1986 by the central government hereby notifies the rules for the management and handling of the biomedical waste. So, these rules may be called the Biomedical Waste Management and Handling Rules 1998. They shall came into force on the date of their publication in the official Gazette, and they are applicable on these rules apply to all persons who generate, collect, receive, store, transport, treat, dispose, or handle biomedical waste in any form. So here are the important terms related to this act. Means the act, which means the Environment Protection Act 1986. Animal house means the place where the animals are kept for experiments. Authorization means permission granted by the prescribed authority for the generation, collection, reception, and storage, transportation, treatment, disposal, and or any other form of handling of biomedical waste in accordance with these rules and guidelines issued by the central government. And the what is biomedical waste, which is the most important. Biomedical waste means any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment, or immunization of human beings or animals, or in research activities pertaining thereto, or in the production or testing of biologicals, and including categories mentioned in schedule first. Biomedical waste treatment facility means any facility wherein treatment, disposal of biomedical waste or processes incidental to such treatment or disposal is carried out. Here, the most important thing which we have to discuss is about the different categories of the biomedical waste, and we will discuss it with the help of a table, which is very, very easy. And yes, this act is very much important. So here we will discuss how. So the category of biomedical waste means this single table will elaborate or will explain the biomedical waste itself. That is first category, means the human anatomical waste, that is human tissue, organ, body parts, and how if we will dispose them. We will dispose them by deep incineration or deep burials. And the category 2 is animal waste, animal tissues, organ, body parts, ca- carcasses, bleeding parts, blood and experimental animals used in research, waste generated by veterinary hospitals, colleges, discharged from the hospital and animal house. They also will be disposed by incineration and deep burials. Microbiology and biotechnological waste, that is category third, waste from the laboratory cultures, stocks or specimen of microorganisms, live or attenuated vaccines, human and animal cell culture used in research, and infectious agents from research and industrial laboratories, waste from production of biological toxin dishes and devices used for transfer of culture. So they will be disposed by local autoclaving, microwaving, and incineration. So, waste sharps category 4 means needles, syringes, scalpels, blades, glasses, etc., and they will be disposed by disinfection. And the category fifth is discarded medicines and oxytocin drugs, that is waste comprising of outdated, contaminated, and discarded medicines. They will be incinerated or destruct iron and drug disposal in secured landfills. Category 6 is solid waste, that is contaminated with blood and body fluids, including cotton, dressing, solids, soiled plaster, cast lines, bedding, other material contaminated with blood. They must be incinerated and autoclaved or microwave. Now the category 7, which is also the solid waste, but it includes the different things like waste generated from disposable items other than the waste, that is tubings, catheters, and intravenous set. They must be disinfected by chemical treatment, autoclaved or microwave by and multilational shreddings. Category 8 is liquid waste, means waste generated from laboratory and washing, cleaning, housekeeping, and disinfecting activities. They must be disposed by disinfection by chemical treatment and discharge. Incineration as category 9, and the category 10 is chemical waste, which is used in production of biologicals, chemicals used in disinfection and as insecticides. It includes the disposal includes chemical treatment and discharge into drains for liquid and secured landfills for solids. Now the next category is the coding, means how we will code the container according to their subscribed categories. So the yellow color is for the yellow color is for the category first, second, third, and sixth, and they will be disposed by incineration and deep burial. And the red color is for the category third, sixth, and seventh, and they must be disposed by autoclaving, microwaving, or the chemical treatment. Whereas blue and white are for the plastic bags, puncture proof, and they must be disposed by autoclaving and microwaving. Whereas black is for category 5, 9, and 10. They must be disposed in secured landfills.